this a new level. I'm on a new level, yeah. I'm headed for new levels. Can I get a witness? Gotta see this shit in plain sight. You can't go where I'm going, you ain't invited. Cause this a new level. I'm headed for new level.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an experiment before I take off this quick weave. As you can see, I done had this quick weave in my head for almost 4 weeks, and I was just trying to show you guys how you can get a curly look on the synthetic hair. Now in this clip, I'm just combing out the synthetic straight hair. In that bottle you see conditioner and water. I spread on the hair. I'm sectioning that big section now, leaving conditioner, and you're gonna see me braid that section all the way down and tie it with a rubber band. Then with the second section, I'm going to comb it out as like the first section. Clip those two braids up, and I'll add a leave-in conditioner again. Spread with the water and leave-in conditioner, comb it out, and braid this section also all the way down to the end and tie it with a rubber band as well. And as you can see, I unclipped all 7 braids. I have 7 braids in total. I'm just counting on this clip. Small disclaimer, yes, I am bald on that side, and excuse the tracks because, like I said, this is almost a 4-week clip. In this clip, you will see me putting the towel around my neck, and I have my hair water bottle that I use to dip my hair inside of. It's strictly for hair. And that's hot. The water is piping hot, so be very, very careful. I just did them 2 braids in for approximately like 15 seconds, just to submerge both braids so they both can be submerged with the hot water. I'm just dipping. Pull it out. Be extremely careful, you guys. Extremely careful. I won't say I'm an expert, but I've been doing this for a very long time, so I know how to maneuver. So I'm just patting it dry, squeezing the excess hot water out of the synthetic hair. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side, like dipping these 2 braids inside of the pipe of hot water. You'll also see me, that's hot. Disclaimer, excuse the tracks. Like I said, this is a almost 4-week quick weave. I'm just trying to show you how you can get some like bohemian curls with an old quick weave. I'm just trying to show you guys. So do not burn yourself in this process. Just drying. And then I'm going to dip those last, I think 3 that's in the back in the hot water as well after I get done pat drying. So this is the last 3. Be extremely careful dipping those 3 braids inside the piping hot water. That water was so hot. Just dipping. I kind of like tilted the bottle because it wasn't filled to the top, so I can make sure I get the entire braid submerged in the hot water. My pole hair, my edges is almost gone. This quick weave is technically done, but I figured I could make it last for another week or so by adding curls. Overall, this is the Organique 20 and 18 inch hair that I've done like almost a month ago. I love it, and I've been maintaining it. So I let my hair air dry for 20 minutes. I went in the room and watched a little bit of TV, let it air dry, and then you see me right now just taking down those braids until I take them all down. And when I start taking them all down, I kind of fluff it to my liking, and I will let you guys watch the video. The takedown process, this is the part where I was really feeling myself. I'm like, okay, I like it. So this is the last braid that I'm taking down, that was dipped and air dried. Just can't wait. These curls are so beautiful, you guys. You will fall in love. Look at this. Oh my God, I was feeling myself on this part. I'm like, yes. And I'm just, you can see, I'm just fluffing it out to my liking, just making sure it's run through my fingers. Very soft, you guys. Make sure you add conditioner to your hair when you're combing it out and stretching it out. And I'm just feeling myself. I'm gonna do my leave out like off camera, and then come back because I was struggling with that leave out. So thank you guys so much for your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or share this video. I appreciate you guys viewing my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.